People nowadays rely on online shopping instead of going to the mall. We're glad that AliExpress never disappoint us for offering the best deals always. And now, they're giving away promo code that can't be used every time we order online with big discount. This code for everyone who loves AliExpress. You can use this code, guys, in technology categories and any items you wanted to buy, except for mobile phones items. All you need to do is just explore, guys. List of the product is available from gadgets. There is also accessories and electronics items, some portable devices, and such more. But make sure, guys, to check all the codes available in every product you wanted to purchase. If you are new to AliExpress, don't hesitate to download the app now and register to avail this promo. We're glad if you share this to your loved ones too. Grab this offer, guys, now while it still lasts. This is lastly, guys. You can check all the codes in every video here. You can see in the description video. And if you want, guys, to be updated in every deals of AliExpress, it's simply, guys, you can check always in their app, or just you want to notify always, you just on the notification. So you guys, you can avail always all the deals that they offer, from the lowest prices items to their trending stuff offering. So guys, let's go shopping online on AliExpress. Promise, guys, you can save more if you use the codes that are available here. It's always a blessing for us uh, that love shopping online. It's so very wonderful. You guys, check this out, and God bless everyone.